Did you ever run into those people that are constantly saying, I'm so stressed out, I'm so overwhelmed, nothing is working out, or I'm worried, I'm anxious? They just keep repeating the constant phrase, the constant story over and over and over again. Are they aware of what kind of reality they are creating? Because the universe is always saying yes to you. So I'm always stressed. The universe will give you more things to stress about. I'm always anxious. The universe will give you more things to be anxious about. That's the way it works. What you think about, you bring about. Where your focus is, where your attention is, magnifies, expands. This is why I'm not a fan of a lot of words like healing. I need to be healed. This isn't right. I'm worried. All this stuff doesn't serve us. We need to let this go and see life as we want to see life. If you're constantly saying to yourself, I don't have enough time, I don't have enough time, there's too much to do, change that. Saying, look at all this time I have available. Look at all this time I have to get all these projects done. See life as you wish to see it. That life is working out in my favor. Life is going my direction. Everything's working out for me. So be mindful of your language, that you are the creator of your reality, or you could say you're the artist of your life. So life is this blank canvas in front of you. You can either see it from the negative or the positive, or the pessimist to the optimist. Always have an optimistic view that life is working out. Everything's going your way. There's plenty to go around. Change your phrasing. Be mindful of your words. And a lot of people are not mindful of their words. They're not aware of the loop that they're trapped in. And this is making people very sick. Chronically sick, chronic headaches, chronic fatigue, whatever it may be, because they're stuck in that loop. So how do we break this loop? By being here in this moment. Where are your feet right now? What do you hear? What do you see? What do you sense? Engage your senses. What is your body picking up? So when you're engaged with your senses, you're here in this moment. If you're in the mind, your thoughts, your beliefs, your opinions, you are not here. You're in the mental story. So we need to break that loop and plot a new way forward by seeing life as we want to see life. Not seeing life as it is, but seeing life in a different direction. That doesn't mean ignoring the body necessarily. Like if your arm hurts, lots of pain, it needs attention. We can't say, oh, my arm is great, when it's not great. We need to give it that attention, get it onto the right path, then seeing the arm as we wish to see it. But we don't do that spiritual bypassing or ignoring the situation. We want to address the needs at the time, but we want to stay in that place. We don't want to stay in the mud, the muck, the swamp. We got to move on because we are the artist. You are the creator of this life. That's exciting. So stay happy, stay joyful, and give that fuel to those emotions of how you want life to be. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye for now.